Best cat water fountains. As more pet owners prioritize proper hydration for their cats, the demand for the best cat water fountains continues to rise. These fountains offer cleaner, fresher, better-tasting water while enhancing convenience and durability. In this guide, we evaluate fountain types, build quality, filtration performance, noise level, ease of cleaning, and overall value, helping you choose a reliable model that encourages your cat to drink more and stay healthier every day. Product number 1. Vecan Innovation Plastic Cat Water Fountain. The Vecan Innovation Plastic Cat Water Fountain is a popular choice for cat owners seeking an affordable yet reliable hydration solution. Made from BPA-free plastic, it provides a lightweight and pet-safe build ideal for everyday use. Its multi-layer filtration system, typically including carbon, cotton, and ion exchange resin, helps keep water tasting fresh while capturing debris, hair, and impurities. The fountain offers multiple water flow modes, giving cats options from gentle streams to bubbling surfaces that encourage more frequent drinking. Maintenance is simple because the components disassemble easily for cleaning, and the low-voltage pump runs quietly enough to place in bedrooms or living areas without disturbance. The large water capacity reduces refill frequency, making it convenient for busy pet owners. While plastic models require more frequent deep cleaning compared to stainless steel, the Vecan remains an excellent budget-friendly pick that delivers strong performance, safety, and usability. Product number 2. Wonder Creature Cat Water Fountain Stainless Steel. The Wonder Creature's stainless steel cat water fountain stands out for its hygienic, durable, and sleek design. Stainless steel resists bacteria buildup far better than plastic, making it ideal for cats with sensitivities or households prioritizing cleanliness. Its circular, elevated drinking tray provides constant access to freshly circulated water, while the triple filtration system, featuring cotton, carbon, and foam layers, ensures excellent taste and purity. The pump is impressively quiet and energy efficient, maintaining continuous flow without disturbing pets or owners. Many appreciate the dishwasher-safe components, which make regular cleaning a breeze. LED indicators and water level windows on select versions add convenience by signaling when refills are needed. With strong build quality and smooth edges for cat safety, this fountain offers long-term value. It's well-suited for homes with multiple cats thanks to its wide-open drinking surface and steady water circulation that accommodates several pets at once. Product number 3. Pet Libro's Stainless Steel Cat Water Fountain. Pet Libro's stainless steel fountain is widely praised for its robust construction and thoughtfully engineered water system. The corrosion-resistant 304 stainless steel body ensures exceptional hygiene while offering a premium look that blends well with any decor. Its advanced quadruple filtration system delivers crisp, clean water by removing odors, sediments, and harmful particles. The ultra-quiet pump, often running below 30 decibels, creates a smooth, gentle flow that encourages even timid cats to drink comfortably. Pet Libro also integrates a convenient water level window, helping owners monitor hydration without opening the reservoir. The fountain's wide, shallow drinking tray minimizes whisker fatigue, a major plus for sensitive cats. Dishwasher-safe parts make maintenance stress-free, and the sturdy build ensures years of dependable use. For pet owners seeking a balance of design, cleanliness, and performance, Pet Libro's stainless steel fountain offers excellent long-term value and reliability. Product number 4. Vecan Innovation Award winner Stainless Steel Cat Water Fountain. This award-winning Vecan stainless steel fountain elevates the brand's already popular design with enhanced durability, filtration, and user-friendliness. The premium 304 stainless steel body improves hygiene, resisting scratches, bacteria, and discoloration over time. Its multi-filtration setup includes a fine cotton layer, activated carbon, and an efficient foam filter, ensuring consistent water purity while extending pump life. One standout feature is its exceptionally quiet pump, engineered for continuous operation without vibration or noise, ideal for light sleepers or apartment living. The fountain's smooth curves and spill-resistant top make it safe and comfortable for cats to access from any angle. With a large capacity suited for multi-pet households, owners won't need frequent refills. Easy assembly and dishwasher-safe parts streamline maintenance, while the sturdy, award-winning construction ensures long-term value. It's a superb choice for pet owners who want a premium, dependable hydration system.
Product number 5. Geotohan Stainless Steel Cat Water Fountain. The Geotohan Stainless Steel Cat Water Fountain is designed for durability, stability, and consistent water freshness. Made with high-quality stainless steel, it resists rust and bacterial buildup, making it an excellent option for health-focused pet owners. Its multi-layer filtration system enhances water taste and quality by reducing impurities, while its circulating design naturally enriches the water with oxygen. This fountain is especially quiet thanks to its energy-efficient pump that provides steady flow without disturbing the household. The large capacity reservoir is ideal for multi-cat environments, reducing refill frequency. Users also appreciate the wide drinking tray that accommodates pets of different sizes and prevents whisker stress. With dishwasher-safe components and a sturdy, slip-resistant base, the Geotohan fountain emphasizes both safety and convenience. It's a great value pick that combines strong build quality, easy maintenance, and reliable hydration support for cats of all ages.